So in this demo, we are going to see how SigNoz MCP server could be helpful to check, debug, and actually fix issues based on the observability data from SigNoz. So I would like to actually check what are the critical alerts which are triggering right now in SigNoz. So let me just check that. You can see here the tool list alerts is called. So we got total 16 critical alerts. I would like to check any one of the alerts. So let's check this service. So internally, we just asked that, okay, I'm just using bare minimal information to see if right tools are being called. Here we can see that it actually first called the get alert, and then it is trying to get logs for that alert. Now we are trying to get logs by services. So here we can see that we have a lot of information coming from all these tools by calling all these tools, and the root cause is the alert for consumer service 2 triggered because the service is experiencing persistent Kafka connection issue. Okay, so now I would like to check how frequent is this issue. So now I've asked to check how frequent this issue has occurred, and I want to see when was the last 10 such alerts triggered. So we can see that the get alert history is being called here. And I think for last 2 to 3 questions we have not even asked to we have not even given the service name, but it is still taking the right service name here. And we have like almost last 10 alerts when they were triggered. Okay, it is giving us alert trigger for almost all the services. Okay, Okay, so there was only one alert event. Let's try to see get more of this service. So we can see that there is one issue which is coming every time: persistent connection retry loop. Broker may not be available. 50 to 60 connections attempts per minute. Okay. The consumer has never successfully connected, so there is some issue related to consumer. Okay, now it is actually recommending what needs to be done to get even more information. But before going to information, I would like to dig a little deeper, and let's try to create traces. We see that there is no traces for this. We can actually go and check in here in the actual database dashboard. Not sure what's the issue here. Okay, that was not the service which you wanted. Okay, so actually there are no traces for consumer service too.